my one and only Major Brother, all the way from overseas. He made it here, started from the bottom. Now he has gotten to somewhere in the middle. He's yet to get to the top. Please give it up for no other person than Segun Pine.
So I am looking for this. Show my lover. She got the dollar. She dey wear designer. So I am looking for this.
DJ, thank you. I don't know why MC Charles said I came all the way from overseas. He wants to spoil my market. Houston, I am with you people here. Let me remove my glasses so that they don't think, so we can see each other. Houston, I'm from Houston. People, please help me. The reason why I said help me, about some 15, 16 months ago, me and my wife, we just mistakenly just strolled like this into doctor's office. And they were saying that my wife was feeling somehow. And when we got into the doctor's office, they said my wife is pregnant. I say, no problem. They now said we should go and do, what's that thing called? Ultrasound. We went to do ultrasound. They said we were having twins. Ladies and gentlemen, let me beg you before I start. Please, today is Sunday, today is Mother's Day. If you want God to use you, because I heard that there are pastors here, let me kneel down. If you have any money that you are not using again, please, I'm going to be at the door. I'm collecting donations. In this economy, it's not easy to have twins. Ask comedians. Prof B is here, he just had twins. I don't know what we drink in Houston these days. What is in this Houston water with Nigerian comedians? I started it, I had twins. After me, Prof B, Akpororo. There's another comedian that has gathered twins. Please, we need your help. Help us. That is what we need. So let us get this show started real quick. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to everyone, every mother here. But here's the issue that I have. Women, I think you need to have a meeting, gather together, and decide what day do you want for Mother's Day. I don't understand. In March, they had one Mother's Day. People in Nigeria and in Britain, right? Now we're doing another Mother's Day. Me, I have mother-in-law who is Nigerian and lives in America. So in March, I got a Mother's Day gift. Today at 5:47 a.m., she called me again. She said, my son, when are you going to wish me happy Mother's Day? You know the usual. Please, I need you people to please organize together and decide what day do we want to do Mother's Day. And now they say there's another one, International Women's Day. You people are too greedy. Take it easy on us now. You know, all of us that are married, you have to do everything. Birthday, you buy gift for your wife. Mother's Day, you buy. The one in Mother's Day in Britain, you buy. International Women's Day, you buy. Anything, even if there's a solar eclipse, women still expect gifts. I'm tired though. Seriously, but the thing though is, to be honest, it's a beautiful thing that we are celebrating women. Can you please put your hands together for every beautiful woman in the building tonight? It is very, very beautiful. And by woman, let us, right now we have to be politically correct and we have to make sure that we are addressing the right people. If you know that naturally God created you with an ability to carry a baby, you are a woman. Happy Mother's Day to you. And there are some people that they were not created naturally, but they have, changed but they look like it. Well done. But there's a special group of people that I want to specially recognize today. Those are people like myself. They are men here. I am someone who is very consistent in life. Very consistent. Consistency will take you far. Even with having children, I'm very consistent. I have 4 children. All of them, they are girls. Every time I try the first time, it's a female. The second time, the third time, God gave me twins, female. So, ladies and gentlemen, by the power conferred on me by MC Charles, I wish myself happy Mother's Day. It is true. Because right now in my house, I'm the only guy. And I'm starting to feel feminine. Do you people know Dora the Explorer? If I catch Dora, I will choke her. She's annoying. Before you know it, I started saying, will you help us say good morning in Spanish? Buenos dias. I caught myself. The worst one, this Disney movie, what's it called? Frozen. Anna, what's the other one's name? Mommy, please help me. Elsa. Those two girls. Before you know it, I'm singing, let it go, can't hold me back anymore. The crazy thing is I sing this song at the wrongest of times. You know, sometimes after you've eaten some kind of food, some solid food, it does something to your stomach. When you upload, you are supposed to download. Sometimes downloading could be a challenge. So when I'm in the restroom, I am balancing like this, and I'm trying to focus, and it is not downloading. Only me by myself, I'm singing, let it go, can't hold me back. Women. Today is Mother's Day, so I'll be talking about women a lot. Women are very, very powerful. I don't even think women get enough credit for how powerful they are. You know, they say the downfall of a man is not the end of his life. You agree, right? If na woman do am, you are gone forever. If a woman is involved, do you know that a woman can make you a millionaire as a man? Can make you a millionaire. Especially if you were a billionaire before you met her. She will wreck you. Finish your account. And it didn't just start today. It's in the days of the Bible. You go and look at it. Adam and Eve, Samson, David, all of them are women wrecked them. But there's something that we should understand though, that women are very powerful, like I said. When you look at even things like in politics, let's bring it to American politics. There was a man, if you remember, when Obama was running for second term, there was a Republican black man. His name is Herman Cain. The man, anything you ask him, what you hear is the nah plan. When you ask him, sir, what is your name? The nah plan. Nah. This man was actually starting to go up right in the polls. Before you know what happened, they sent women to him. They said he has been doing some kind of Me Too nonsense. Woman, wrecker. Donald Trump right now, our president, Ashewo, $150,000. $150,000 for Ashewo. I am born again, but what do they, all those people in Empire, how much do they charge? I don't know. You understand? So I'm like, you know what? Women are very powerful. Even in the economy, you know, you see big companies going out of work. Companies like this movie DVD rental place, Blockbuster. Do you guys remember Blockbusters? Blockbusters of those days, it is gone away. There's another one, Radio Shack. Radio Shack is gone. And recently, I just found out that women are more important than children. Toys R Us. Toys R Us went out of business. Toys R Us went out of business, and Mary Kay is still doing very well. Mary Kay is still doing very well, ladies and gentlemen. That's why I know that, you know what, any business that you want to do in this life, you have to include a woman for your business to sell. Like today now, Daddy, well done, sir. Is that your mommy? We know that you did not come here out of your own free will. We had to minister to her first. Because when she says yes, you know men now, honey, let's go. You will follow. So anything you do, you have to keep in mind the women. And that is why I remember back then when we were growing up, I grew up in Lagos, Nigeria. Do you have any Lagosians in the building tonight? Any Lagosians in the building tonight? Make some noise. Okay. I grew up in Mushin, Lagos. Mushin Olosha, are you in the building tonight? Mushin, are you in the building tonight? That's what I'm talking about. I grew up in Mushin, and I remember that even when we were young, we went to some schools, they had something called debate. The most common debate ever is mother is better than father. If God help you, and you are on the father side, defending father is better than mother, automatically you know you have lost the debate. Not only that, in nursery school, all the poems, all the songs, all the nursery rhymes that they made, they are for mothers. Can you remember any song that was made for father? Any nursery rhyme? There was one song that the very popular one. Who sat and watched my infant when sleeping? They don't know the lyrics though. They don't know it. You can tell the ones that went to public school. They say, that was for mothers. When you marry, when they want to do dance with mother son dance, there's one popular song that they sing. Sweet mother, I no go forget you. Where is father now? You people pity us. Even musician now, any song that they sing is usually woman. Look at Davido. Davido has become woman rapper. Davido that started his ministry by singing Madam Iduro, Emi Omo Babo Lowo. After he sang that song, you didn't know what to do again. You know how to call Wizkid. I was like, hey, Wizkid, it's OBO. And Wizkid was like, yay, yaga. He said, Wizkid, I want to blow. I need a new song. Wizkid told him to sing about woman. You know what this guy did? He started with the very subtle one that you would not know where he's going to. He started with, she no one designer. She no one Ferrari. You say now, my love, oh. People were like, this guy's girlfriend does not like money at all. Women are discussing amongst themselves. Men were telling their wives that, you know what, you should be like Davido's girlfriend. Before we know it, this guy started singing, money fall on you. Banana fall on you. Maserati fall on you. Expensive things. The one that he now did that just vexed me completely is this new one that he just released. DJ, I beg, just give me that song. That's your mama, my lover. What did you call her? That guy is looking for assurance. Giving girls assurance up and down. Don't worry, just don't worry. They even get it, no worry. My time they go. Don't worry, just kill him like that.
Roach beat.
This man is looking for DJ. You don't do, cut down. MCPC, I beg. This man must not collect his balance. I will personally see to it that you don't get your balance. You won't spoil my career here, career where I just built. They told you that I started from the bottom. I don't hang for middle now. It's time assurance. So every lady now, they are saying, the lady are telling their boyfriend that, you see, if Davido can buy Porsche for a 23-year-old girl, what can you give me? What can you give me? Ladies and, my time don't reach. My time don't reach. Ladies and gentlemen, Mona, no better. Don't ring me. Thank you so much. My name is Shago Prime. You guys enjoy the rest of the show.
Assurance, I give my baby assurance. I give my baby lifetime insurance.